Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sara Speaks English. My name is Sarah, and I'm so happy you're here today. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand every word and practice with me. Today, I want to share my morning routine with you. A morning routine means the things I do every morning to start my day happy and ready. Are you ready? Great. Let's begin. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. When my alarm rings, beep, 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 I don't stay in bed. I turn off the alarm quickly and say, "Good morning, world." Then I sit up, stretch my arms high like this, and stretch my legs too. Stretching feels so good. It helps my body wake up and gives me energy. Do you stretch in the morning? Tell me in the comments. Next, I smile at myself in the mirror. Smiling makes me feel positive right away. After that, I go to the bathroom. First, I brush my teeth for 2 minutes. I use my favorite mint toothpaste. It tastes fresh. Then I wash my face with cold water. Brr, it's cold, but it really helps me feel awake and fresh. Sometimes I splash water on my face 3 or 4 times. Try it. It's amazing. Now it's time for breakfast, my favorite part. I walk to the kitchen, open the window for fresh air, and start cooking. Usually, I make 2 fried eggs and toast with butter. Mmm, yummy. Some days I add a tomato or avocado if I have it. I also eat fruit like a banana or an apple because it's healthy and gives me vitamins. I drink a big hot cup of tea with a little milk. Tea makes me feel warm and ready for the day. What do you eat for breakfast? Coffee, tea, or something else? Share below. While I eat, I listen to soft music or think about my goals for the day. It's a nice, quiet time. After breakfast, I wash my plate. I like to keep my kitchen clean. Then I go to my room to choose my clothes. I like simple and comfortable outfits. Today, for example, I'm wearing blue jeans, a white t-shirt, and a cozy sweater because it's a little cold outside. I check the weather on my phone first. After I get dressed, I brush my hair and put it in a ponytail or let it down. I sometimes put on a little lip balm or moisturizer to feel good. Before I leave, I check my bag carefully. I put in my phone, charger, keys, wallet, and a water bottle. I also take my notebook for English notes because learning English every day is important. Finally, I put on my comfortable shoes, take a deep breath, and open the door. I leave the house at around 8 o'clock. I walk to the bus stop. The morning air is fresh, the birds are singing, and I see many people going to work or school. Everyone looks busy, but the world feels full of new possibilities. I love this feeling. This is my morning routine. It takes about 1 hour, but it helps me start the day with energy, happiness, and good habits. Now it's your turn. What about you? What time do you wake up? Do you exercise, drink coffee, or check your phone first? Tell me in the comments. I read every one. Practice saying your morning routine out loud in English. It's great speaking practice. Thank you so much for watching Sara Speaks English. If you liked this lesson, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends who are learning English, and subscribe to the channel with notifications on so you never miss a new easy lesson. See you in the next video. Bye for now.